back to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna be unboxing these unicorn poppet balls. I'm so excited to do this.
You know that movie you asked me to see, Turning Red? I couldn't find it in any of the theaters, so I looked it up. That movie, it's brand new, but it's not going to be in theaters. It's going straight to Disney Plus on Friday.
These are hard to pop.
How do you review it? They're hard to pop.
But I love these. Let's see. Oh my god, these are actually different ones.
Whoa! Mommy,
That's I don't know what this is, but it's cute. Lastly, a cute wear. This one is actually kind of see-through. I'll be back to see if I could pop all of this. So I will give these ratings. By the way, I could not pop all these. This is a 9.10 out of 10.
Yeah, the pops are a little hard, but they sound nice.
I know. It does feel nice if you like squeeze it really hard. Oh. So here's all the ones that we could collect.
Let me see the box.
But by the way, I love these. I'm going to show you. They kind of pop right back up. There's some that do not want to stay there.
Hi, sister.
But also, I love
Hi,
these.
sisters.
Your front part has a smiley face.
It's like McDonald's. Mommy, this is what Willow would do when Stella pops up behind him and says, "Hey, sisters." What? Hi, sisters.
They stop the screen. Brady, what's that?
What? Hi, sisters.
I like that.
Hi, sisters.
This one is more squishy because this one is really insulated. But I love these and I love you guys too. Bye.